is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I have a big announcement for you guys. It's kind of crazy to me because I never thought this would actually happen, but pretty much what is going on is, if you guys have seen the inconsistency of me like uploading on Saturdays, because I used to upload every Saturday all the time and now I really don't, it's because I just been really tired lately. And I don't know what it was. It wasn't just being tired. It was like lack of energy to even walk. I would give out, like I would be out of breath. A lot of weird things. So tomorrow, but by this, I think it's tomorrow, which is the day this is uploading, I'm going to be at the doctor finding out what is going on. But because that's been happening and I've been really sick, I don't want to say sick, but that's just like the only term I can think of saying. My mom has surprised me with a trip to wherever I wanted to go, and I chose LA, and that happened to be the weekend of Gen Beauty. So I am actually attending Gen Beauty this year, and I'm so excited for this. Like, I don't know, like that has been a dream to actually go there. So if any of y'all are actually going to Gen Beauty and want to like say hi or anything, I feel like saying meet me is like not the right word because I'm not even like a person, like meet me, like whatever. But if you guys see me or anything, and if you have any advice about Gen Beauty, please leave them in the comment down below, because I kind of like, I expect it to be just like a convention that I've gone to, which is like a hair show, which I've modeled in and went for class and ended up modeling that time too. So I assume it's like that, but more people because it's LA. So yeah, it's also my first time in LA as well. So yeah, I just wanted to announce that to you guys, and that's kind of brief overview of why I've not been uploading. I always have them filmed, but I just can't get around to editing. I'm like, get home from work and then I pass out. Like, I literally can't stay awake anymore. So yeah, hopefully I maybe seeing anybody, I don't know. I hope it's a good time. I expect it is, and I gotta probably not buy a lot of makeup because getting back to Indiana would be really hard. But yeah, I just wanted to announce that to y'all. If you guys are gonna be attending, let me know anything I should be aware of down in the comments below, and I think that is it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the lost rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?